Hello traders, good evening. Welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal and you're watching Nifty and Bank Nifty short-term view. We can see that the market has been able to bounce back pretty sharply in the last 5 trading sessions. And before I go ahead with the video, I would like to share why this pullback actually started. So this is the Nifty spot weekly time frame chart, and what we can see over here that when this correction was going on, this entire uptrend was getting retraced and we were close to this 50% retracement, which was at 22,570 or 600, you can say, in round figure. Now you would say that the candle low is much far away from the retracement. Yes, I do agree with that. But if we have a closer look, these two candles, this one and this one, these two candles highs is possibly the low of the current week's low. So at times markets may not test exactly the support, but it would sense that some particular candles high can give us support and they would start bouncing. Now just to remind you that tomorrow we have a live trading session due to the budget, and watching these candles, it is very much evident that as of now it is a bullish engulfing pattern. Now tomorrow obviously this candle will get completed, but as of now, since this is a bullish engulfing pattern, there is some sort of bullishness or a pullback sort of stuff which is visible in the weekly time frame chart. Now if you have a look at the daily time frame chart, you can see a sharp rise with a lack of momentum on the downside in RSI, and we have been able to so far retrace by 50% of this entire trend. Now in case if this rally continues, the next level to be tested in Nifty spot could be 23,670 or 700, and if the rally even continues further, then this resistance, which is due to the trend line, could be tested also. And this is a pretty steep trend line. This is an important trend line, and this is possibly somewhere around, I should say, 23,800 or 23,850 thereabouts. So this is an important resistance, just to give you some sort of understanding. And we are just in a pullback mode. This is not an uptrend. We are just in a pullback mode. And in the 2-hourly time frame chart, the rally is pretty strong. The RSI is also looking pretty strong. Only one thing is that the rally has happened way too fast. So after the rally, some sort of consolidation or cooling off could be probable. All right. Going ahead in Bank Nifty, even in the weekly time frame chart of Bank Nifty, we can see that we do have some sort of engulfing candle pattern. Although this is not exactly similar to Nifty, this is much different than Nifty. This is much different because the previous two candles are inverted hammer or something like that. So yes, this is a bullish candle, but it is not as bullish as it was in Nifty. And currently we are again in a pullback mode in the Bank Nifty with a lack of momentum of the downside, which happened a few days back. You can see this lower low and higher low in RSI. This was not a positive divergence, but it was enough to propel prices higher. Now, if you just have a look at this particular level, twice Bank Nifty has been able to get support over here and here. This is the first time, this is the second time, and now after breaking this level, somewhere over here, third time, this exact same level provided resistance. Once again, Bank Nifty is close to that level. Just let me share that band with you. That particular band is at 49,774 to 49,676. It's a pretty small band, but nevertheless, it is a short-term resistance. So if we start trading above it, if we sustain above it, then the next level which could be tested on the upside could be 50,123 or probably a little bit more higher. But this will not be easy to surpass because this is not just a normal resistance band. It is accompanied with two previous lows. So we have to be a little bit careful over here. And let's have a look at the 2-hourly chart as well. In the 2-hourly chart, we can see that yes, the rally has started, and even this particular high is exactly the same high over here. So Bank Nifty will have to do a lot to go higher and test possibly 50,000, somewhere around 50,100 or probably even a little bit more higher. Just take a note of that. Now, before I complete the video, just to make you things feel clear that tomorrow we have a budget day, and when events are happening, we should understand that technical analysis does work, but due to extreme high volatility, you can see humongous, you can say intraday volatility, and we should avoid trading. As a swing trader, obviously, I'm not going to take any new trading positions, and I would avoid trading tomorrow. Once the volatility cools off in the next 2 to 3 days, slowly and steadily, I will start taking positions, but taking positions on a event day, like a budget day, is, I think, not a sensible thing. So trade less, trade wisely. Thank you.